Yamanashi Prefecture lies north of Japan's iconic Mt. Fuji. Surrounded by mountains, it's known as the capital of mountains. Conveniently, it's just 1.5 hours from Tokyo by express train. Yamanashi boasts breathtaking natural beauty, like the Fuji 5 lakes and deep gorges. It's celebrated as Japan's leading fruit kingdom. Yamanashi is famous as the birthplace of Japanese wine. See Mt. Fuji's majesty, especially from the legendary 5th station. Witness sea of clouds and spiritual views from the 5th station. Chirito Pagoda offers iconic views, Mt. Fuji, pagoda, and seasonal blossoms. Capture Japan's essence in a single photograph here. Fuji 5 lakes reflect Mt. Fuji perfectly. Enjoy. Upside down Fuji from Kawaguchiko or Yamakako. This resort area offers relaxation and stunning vistas. Thrill seekers love Fuji-Q Highland, a top amusement park with record-breaking rides. Try the world's most intense roller coasters here. Ashino Hakai features 8 spring-fed ponds with crystal-clear water. Experience surreal, dreamlike beauty at these historic pools. Shosenkyo Gorge is celebrated for Japan's most beautiful canyon scenery. The contrast of fall colors and unique rocks is unforgettable. Enjoy fruit picking. Yamanashi leads Japan in peaches, grapes, and cherries. Taste freshly picked, premium fruit for an authentic experience. Koshu wine is crafted from the unique Koshu grape. Tour many wineries and savor award-winning white wines. Sample regional comfort food, Hodo noodles stewed with pumpkin and savory miso. Hodo is a heartwarming dish linked to the famous Takeda Shinjin. Relax at Hatarakishi Onsen, with open-air baths overlooking Kofu Basin and Mt. Fuji. Soak while taking in an incredible panoramic view. Yamanashi offers nature, tradition, and adventure just outside Tokyo. Discover your next unforgettable journey in Japan's mountain capital.